Welcome to our video on positive reinforcement training, the key to a well-behaved dog. In this video, we will explore what positive reinforcement training is and how it can help you in training your furry friend. Let's dive in. Positive reinforcement training is a method of training that focuses on rewarding desired behaviors rather than punishing unwanted behaviors. It involves using rewards such as treats, praise, and play to encourage and reinforce good behavior. This approach is based on the principles of operant conditioning and is highly effective in shaping a dog's behavior. There are several benefits to using positive reinforcement training with your dog. Firstly, it creates a strong bond between you and your furry companion. By focusing on rewards and positive interactions, you build trust and establish a positive relationship. Secondly, positive reinforcement training is more humane and less stressful for the dog. It avoids the use of aversive techniques, making the training experience enjoyable for both you and your pet. Lastly, positive reinforcement training is highly effective in teaching dogs new behaviors and modifying unwanted behaviors. To get started with positive reinforcement training, you will need some high-value treats, a clicker, optional, and a quiet and distraction-free environment. Begin by identifying the behaviors you want to reinforce and choose appropriate rewards. Then, use the rewards to positively reinforce the desired behaviors as they occur. Remember to be consistent and patient, as it takes time for your dog to learn. With consistent practice, you will see great results. While positive reinforcement training is highly effective, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Firstly, avoid using punishment or aversive techniques, as they can have negative effects on your dog's behavior and well-being. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement and rewards. Secondly, be mindful of your timing. It's important to reward the desired behavior immediately after it occurs, so your dog can associate the behavior with the reward. Lastly, be patient and consistent. Training takes time and effort, but the results are well worth it. Positive reinforcement training is the key to a well-behaved dog. By focusing on rewards and positive interactions, you can build a strong bond with your furry companion and teach them desired behaviors. Remember to be patient, consistent, and avoid aversive techniques. With positive reinforcement training, you and your dog can achieve great results. Happy training!